Welcome back to Healthy Papa's Top Tips. Hello children, I'm Healthy Papa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make deep heat toilet paper to sanitise your bottom. For this project, you'll require a roll of good quality toilet tissue and a large tube of deep heat ointment which contains methyl salicylate and menthol, both of which will help sterilise your dirty starfish. To start, squirt the deep heat onto the top of the toilet roll. Use plenty, a nice generous portion here, oh yes, and spread it around with a kitchen knife as if you're icing a cake. That's really good. I'm getting good coverage here. I hope you get good coverage too. Keep spreading it around until it's evenly covered and then get a piece of aluminium tinfoil and wrap the roll in it. I'll show you how. Here's the foil. Place the roll on its side, wrap it around like this, then fold in the base to keep all that juicy goodness in, and gently fold the top over, making sure that you don't squish the cream everywhere because we want every little drop. Now I'm going to place this into an oven and bake it for approximately 20 minutes at preheated 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. Until all the BAM has soaked into all of the tissue. I'm going to do that now. I'll be back shortly. Well, that's it out the oven now. It's so hot and cosy. Let's open it up and see how well it's worked. Oh, that looks perfect. It looks like it's all merged in quite nicely. Oh, it smells so fresh and invigorating. I can't wait to use this on my bottom. Remember that this lovely deep heat toilet paper makes a memorable gift for all your friends and co-workers at Christmas. Well, that's all from Healthy Papa for now. Remember to like and subscribe for more healthy living tips. Yes, I'm going to give this a go right now.